Hello and welcome guys to a new tutorial. Today we'll learn how to automate recurring subscription billing with the Stripe and N8N. So this workflow will trigger when Stripe creates an invoice. Will be invoice.created. We'll check the invoice status field and branch on paid versus non-paid. We'll log the invoice detail to the Google Sheet. Will be separate rows for paid and unpaid. Will send a Slack notification to your billing team or channel indicating whether the invoice was paid or pending. Everything is automatic and uses only the N8N nodes. Okay, let's start the workflow. First, you have the Stripe trigger node. His purpose is to start the workflow when the Stripe creates an invoice. For example, the recurring billing event. So on the event here will be invoice.created. You see here a lot of options. You will choose the invoice.created. The credential will be your Stripe AP credential, and the output will be the fields that include the ID, the status, the amount due, the currency, the customer, the creating, and etc. Because we'll capture the subscription billing activity in the real time. Okay, let's step to the next node. Next node will be the if. So his purpose is to branch the workflow depending on the invoice status. So if the JSON status is equal with the paid, the true branch will go to the log paid invoice, and also on the Slack channel notify paid, and the false branch will go to log unpaid invoice, and the Slack notify unpaid. Okay, why is that? Because this ensures only true paid invoices go to the paid path handling, all the others go to the pending handling. After that, you have the Google Sheets node, first node with the log paid invoice. His purpose is to append the row for paid invoices for bookkeeping and analysis. You see this, the operation append. Okay, so his values will be JSON ID with that will be the invoice ID, the customer ID JSON customer, the amount converted from cents, JSON amount due, and JSON currency to uppercase. After that will be the status, that will be JSON status, and the date from when the invoice was paid. So will be the new date JSON created. This will keep a permanent log of paid invoices. Okay, after that you have also the Slack, the notify paid, that operation will be post. His purpose is to notify your team that a subscription invoice was paid. The channel will be billing, and the text will be like this: invoice paid, invoice JSON ID, customer JSON customer, amount JSON amount due, and JSON currency, and the status JSON status. Why? Because immediate team awareness for reconciliation, support, or onboarding steps. Let's continue. After that, for the false branch, we have the unpaid invoice on the Google Sheets. His purpose is to append the row for the invoices that are not paid. That means pending, open, or draft. On the values will be same expression, and status will be JSON status. This will track the unpaid invoices separately so finance can follow up. And we have also the Slack node, the notify unpaid. His purpose is to notify the billing or support team that invoice is pending or unpaid. So you have the channel billing and the text this: invoice pending or unpaid, with the fields below: invoice, customer, amount, and status. This will allow your team to take action, reminder, dunning, and manual follow-up. That was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and see you on the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.